Something wicked this way blows,
right.
and that radar
It really
picture
does.
that you showed us a little while ago, Brian, that's worth 1,000 words.
Yeah, it's so ugly for the folks in California, and we will get our share of a third to a half an inch and maybe even more in some areas. And here's your first alert change to the forecast. Flash flood watch, still a watch, not a warning, thankfully so, because that's what they're seeing through California. Not across the valley, but it's been expanded to the east as well. That's Mojave County, Arizona. That's really up towards Lake Mead and down to the south, southern reaches of our county as well. But once again, not across the Las Vegas Valley, but that could change. So we'll be watching that very closely. Still have winter storm warning, same time frame until late Saturday, and that's for the local mountains, expecting wind and snow. Already got a little bit of snow there this morning, more on the way. Now, you're not seeing much right now with our satellite radar composite. There's a break. We told you there'd be some lulls, and this one's one of our longer ones before the next batch comes through, and that will. It looks like a late tonight event, an overnight mostly, even especially after midnight. I'll show you that in Futurecast, but you can see how heavy it looks, especially with thunderstorms packing their forecast. Not so much ours, but watch. There's your time frame. 11 p.m. Still pretty much to the west of the valley. Mount Charleston getting some more snow out of it as that cold air pushes in. 4 a.m. tomorrow morning, you can see it's really widespread, much like we had this morning. So definitely seeing it continue. And then by about noontime, we get a little bit of a break. But watch what swipes around for the afternoon. There's still more left across the valley, even though we will be getting some breaks. The ground will be saturated. So things look much improved later on Saturday. As you can see, even into Sunday, we might just see a lingering shower, and that'll be about it. That's nice. So that rain gets out of the way, and then we start to warm things up for next week. That'll be nice to see. And that warm, I wish really say mild air, comes in for next week, and we start to see the temperatures come back up again. Probably not to the middle 70s that we did actually get to see this week. Boy, that was certainly nice, recent as yesterday, right? Big change today, colder air on the way, and you felt it this morning. You'll have more in for the weekend. Should be a decent end to the weekend, even if the start is a little touch and go. But look, you see middle to upper 60s right there for Tuesday. Maybe another quick chance for a shower for Wednesday. Thereafter, we get much closer to normal, but we start to get a little more sunshine as well, which is what we'd really like for this weekend. Back to you guys.
All right. Thank